Do you want to learn how to change handle to your own domain in BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to the website bsky.app, and on here, you will see that I have my handle as a domain name. What we're going to do is go to the left side, go to settings, inside it, go to account, and then handle. It's going to give you a pop-up. Instead of using a new handle here, we're going to click on this. I have my own domain. Now in here, you need to enter the domain you want to use. So for me, I have my own domain under my name. I'm going to use it. And it's going to ask you to add the following DNS records to your domain. So host, type, and value. Now mostly people are using Namecheap for their domains. I have my domain on it as well. But what I've done is I've pointed my domain name servers to Cloudflare. But if you have not pointed it to Cloudflare, you can just go to Advanced DNS and change your DNS settings from here. I'm going to go to Cloudflare, and inside here, click on DNS records. And this is your DNS management page. Click on add a new record and type txt. Name, we're going to choose this, host. And for value, I'm going to take this and put it in content. Click on save, and it's going to create a new record here. Now once done, go back here in BlueSky and click on verify DNS record. It's going to say this with a check mark, domain verified. Now we have a new button which says update to domain.com. Let's click on this. And now if I go back to my profile, I will see that my handle has been changed to my own domain name. And that's it. This is how to change handle to your own domain on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.